In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on your APC Battery Back-UPS Pro. Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. Let's get to it. Now here's the unit here. We've got the BR1350 MS, and it's got a lot of outlets, does a lot of amazing things. Unfortunately, sometimes these units have issues. In this video, we're just going to show you how to replace the battery. It's a larger 24 volt pack, which is really two 12 volt batteries put together. And we're going to show you how to remove it from the side. Now, of course, the first thing is you're going to have the unit unplugged from the wall and no other devices connected to it. Carefully tilt it on its side and then remove the side panel just by sliding down carefully and lifting it away. Now you should have this unit here that has these two handles, and what you're going to do is you're going to lift up one side to remove the positive, just like that, the red cable. Then just let it back down easily, at which point you can then lift up on the other side just to gain the access that you need to disconnect the black negative cable, just like that. Okay, now that both the cables are disconnected, you can carefully lift out the battery pack just like that. And here's the battery. As we mentioned, it's two 12 volts put together, and you get the red connection and the black connection there by connecting. There's a wire that actually connects them underneath that black piece of plastic right there to make the two 12 volt packs into a 24 volt pack. Okay? Now we're going to show you how to put it back in. Same thing in reverse. You're going to start with the negative cable, the black one, and sort of tilt in that side and carefully lower it down. And then again on the other side, what you're going to want to do here to reconnect it is you're going to want to tilt up just a little bit more on that red positive side, just like that, while you're holding it. You might hear a little spark as you plug it in, and then carefully lower it back down. And if needed, tuck in the red positive cable. See, it's sticking up right there just a little bit. Just going to tuck that down carefully to make sure it doesn't interfere right there with the cover and those tabs connecting when you go back in with the cover. So start at the bottom, carefully slide it back in, and there you go. We hope this helps you. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.